Well, hello, it's Mark here again. Today I'm going to take a look at one of these 5 amp constant current charge with voltmeter ammeter modules. I think people have been buying these for a couple of dollars from Banggood, AliExpress and eBay. They're a nice little module and very handy for use on the bench. I'm not going to look into the specs and function of this. I'm just going to power it up with a supply of my LiPo rechargeable power pack. The LiPo's at 3.7, but the board that the LiPo's on has got a buck regulator and gets up to 5 volts and 3 volts. So I've set the module here to 4.2 volts. I'm running a little light bulb which is drawing 440 milliamps. As I say, I'm not going to go into the pros and cons of this little beast, which seems quite flexible, but I'm going to just plug in. It's got on here on the left hand side, it's got a 3 pins marked transmit, receive and ground. So I'm just going to go straight ahead and bring in a UART running at 5 volts, and I'm going to plug straight into the serial port on this device. Okay, and using some codes I found on the internet and some Python with the serial module, I'm going to start up my program. And so what we can see happening here is that receive and transmit on the USB UART, and we can also see the module itself flashing every time it's pulled. On my terminal monitor, I don't know if this is showing up very well, but I'm reading off timestamp, volts and amps. I'm doing that a couple of times a second, so that's working. All in all, a very nice facility to have. Just unfortunate you get this flashing effect when this is being pulled. Useful when charging batteries to get the VNA off it and do any calcs. Yeah, all in all, not too bad.